Hello everyone, my name is Barbara and I'm a Polish girl who lives in Ireland and likes to knit. And today I'm doing unboxing, but this time, a completely different one. Fiberific Mystery Lace Club. Right, so this box came in to me, to Ireland, from Australia. Can you believe it? Oh my, so cute. So as the information tells you, this is a monthly subscription, so check. I'll leave links down below. Let's do it. Wow. Ooh. Orange. It's like a cake. Little goodie. A letter. Oh, definitely read it. And no worries, I think everyone gets it. Oh my. Oh my. Okay. 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 So let's start with the pattern. So this is a printed pattern. Very nice paper. Into the night. You see this lace work? Oh my goodness. I'm not sure, can you see it, but do you see beads? Wow. Look at that necklace. It is a romantic shawl. It is the last night collection. It's a romantic shawl. Oh my, oh my. This is, I have never knitted a lace shawl and I have never used beads. Okay. And you know how much I love doing things for the first time. So we have a pattern over here. According to the letter, I have also a code that I can use for a Ravelry. There's just one use, so that's that. And it all looks beautiful. I can't show you more than just this. Now, this little fella. So cute. We have beads. My first ever beads. For this shawl. Actually, can you see them? They are kind of black, silver black outside, but they're silver inside. Interesting. We have some sweets. I think it's something that I should test right now. Right now. Yummy! Good. Don't judge me. We have some markers and progress keepers. Ooh. Some. Guys. The letter said some. Look how many and how gorgeous they are. Beautiful. And now final yarn. And it is beautiful. Look at this. This is a lace yarn. Actually, I don't have lace in my stash. I may have some, maybe half of it or something. I did once a shawl. This is March 2018 Mystery Lace Club Pink Marble. I hope I'm saying it right. Check the screen now. And pinwheel, 90% merino, 10% silk. Approximately 680 meters per 100 gram. Approximately 100 gram. Check the screen now, just to confirm what I said. And look at this beautiful lace. Oh my. Ooh. So we have a hint of purple over here and a hint of pink. Very delicate. And comparing to those dark beads, they're going to be really, really nice. Thank you so much, Chantelle. This is beautiful. Guys, if you have never knitted a shawl, lace, weight shawl with beads, check this, a mystery club. It's all printed in color. The things are bold, things are highlighted over here. beautiful. Thank you so much for this lovely gift. Guys, check out the link down below, definitely, if you're interested to get something like this. Surprise yourself with a lace weight yarn. Go check it out. For me, it's like a trip to Australia. I hope you enjoyed this one. See you next one. Bye! Oh, and don't forget to use those hashtags.